2828 Marathon. This is a one-story that has been remodeled. As you can see, there's lots of parking. The seller is home and there are dogs. That's so you see the gate to the backyard. There's also a security gate on the right-hand side. Okay. So we have a 2.5-inch forward blinds. Okay, storage closet right off of the entry. Granite counters, upgraded cabinet pulls, and the same tile. Replace those light bulbs. Okay, so moving into this bedroom, we have tile. These are tile planks. So we need some blinds here. Change to tile in this bathroom, upgraded cabinets and sinks, and light fixtures. Hello? Oh, okay. So this is a shared bathroom with this bedroom. And the 2 sets of blinds, so we're at 2 for the blinds. Large closet. Two large closets. Upgraded fan. So we have a pocket door here. Skylight for the living area. Upgraded light fixture. Change in tile, granite counters. Screen door on the back with a good size patio with a patio cover. There's a fan with a light kit. A pretty private backyard. It looks like the neighbor directly behind us is a 1-story, from what I can tell from here, and then we're higher than the neighbor on the right. So we have a backsplash. Same cabinet pulls is in the bathroom. Stainless steel. And this is a sticker that's on the dishwasher. So for windows, it was at 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not sure which one. She'd probably say to leave that one. She might even say to leave this window, but I'll go ahead and count it. So 1, 2, 3, and 2 in the bedrooms. And windows in there. 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is where the screen door leads to. So you have a security door, private entrance to this bedroom with the tile planks, mirrored closet doors, upgraded light fixture. Okay, and then moving into this bedroom, which is also off the front, there is a closet, so it's officially a bedroom. These are also tile. And then tile in the laundry room. I'm just not going to go into the garage. Okay, that's the property.